That's what we're gonna do. Take all these screws out of here. Put it on the faster mode now. Let's get all these screws out and see what's up. See what makes this thing tick. Screws in the back there. Couple on top here. Looks like one more and we'll be done. Like I said, this is just going to be like a reference video for anybody that wants to take their drill apart, replace a switch, replace a motor, and that's about it. I'm not sure if you could get a replacement battery for these, but I'll check on Amazon for you guys and I'll leave a link down below.